Alright, it's February 10, 2019, about minus 30 right now. I'm at kilometer 45 on the Blue Ridge Haul Road, north of Whitecourt. And I'm about to venture into the bush, see if I can find this old Scots pine trail site. Snow is quite deep. Coming into kind of a wooded area now along a little ephemeral creek, and I see some pitch coming out of these trees, out of these black spruce, so I'm gonna collect that for later. Probably use it for a fire later. That's some good stuff. Here we have Old Man's Beard, also a great fire starter. You're gonna want to collect a little bit of that while I see it. Bunch of common red pulse, maybe some hoary red pulse too. That was crazy. Using only the dead stuff. Well, this feels much better. It's going to be a long night out here, but I'm just going to have to keep working at it and building up my fuel supply all night.